afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from the lower mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2016 Kenworth T680 highway tractor. It has 381,379 kilometers. It is an MX-13 PACCAR engine, 455 horsepower. It has a jake brake and full diff locks. A 13-speed 8-floor transmission, automated, F016E3138-MHP, again an automated transmission. Front axle rating 12,000 pounds on spring suspension, rear 40,000 pounds on PACCAR air ride suspension, axle model DSH 40, ratio 3.70, rubber all the way around, 11R 22.5 on aluminum rims all the way around, inside and out, 234-inch wheelbase, twin fuel tanks, both 120 gallon, has a 60-inch double sleeper, and a fresh CVI will be supplied with the unit. Going to do a general walk around of the truck. We're going to go inside the cab, show you inside and the hood. You can see it has a nice big moose bumper on there. It's a jet black color. And just walking around the rear of the unit, everything's looking like it's in good shape so far. I did a preliminary walk around and found only one area of damage, and I will point that out as I get closer. I do have some limited space, so I'm getting as much of a distance shot as I can for you. Let's just come right up here to this bumper, give you a good look at that one, and we'll pan up the unit here. And let's take a close look at the front hood. We are on the passenger side of the unit, and the steps up to the passenger, nice and level. Quick look at the mirrors, and there are no chips or cracks. And I'm going to step back here and let's just pan upside the sleeper. And the truck's in beautiful condition. Here's the damage I mentioned earlier, and this is all I've been able to see in the entire truck. And I'm going to come up the access here. Decking is nice and level, and let's get a close-up of the rear of the unit. And this truck is in perfect condition, well maintained, low kilometers. You will see the condition of the rubber in the photos. I would only give them the rest of this season, and have to be replaced by winter. And just coming to the rear of the unit, I'll just step back a bit and we'll come nice and close for you. I'll follow as long as I can. Now back on the driver's side, I'll do the same thing. I'll just come between axles 2 and 3 and give you a look at the suspension on this side. And the steps to the access on this side, nice and level. Let's take a look at the sleeper. Again, we are on the driver's side. You can see the fairings have the air diverters. And let's take a look at the cab here. good condition, and the hood. Let's take a quick look at the mirrors too, and again they are in good shape. Let's go inside the cab. And we'll just take a quick look at the upholstery here. It's the original upholstery, it's in good condition. And I'm going to come right up here on the panel for you. And you can see the readings. Give you a look at the automated transmission here. And we'll take a look here in the sleeper.
It's just what you're used to seeing.
And it's immaculate in here. Unit is very clean, very spacious for a 68-inch. You can see the double bunk. Lots of storage. And again, unit is in beautiful condition. I'm going to start it up. We'll take a look under the hood. Look at the hood from the top. There you have it. A great piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching and have a great day.